In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumloop for email marketing step by step. Gumloop makes it easy to turn your email outreach into a repeatable, scalable workflow. We'll set up a system that drafts personalized emails, adds smart guardrails, and routes everything for review, so you move faster without losing quality. Start by logging into gumloop.com and creating a new workflow. Click Create Workflow and give it a clear, descriptive name, like email marketing, personalized drafts. A clear name helps teammates understand its purpose at a glance and keeps your workspace organized as you grow. Next, add your email inputs as reusable variables. The essentials are recipient name, recipient email, company what name, lead source, interest or topic, and an optional last action. You can pull these from Google Sheets, Forms, CRM exports, or enter them manually while you test. Keep your field names consistent across sources to avoid mapping issues later. Now add conditions or filters to segment and qualify leads. For example, if the interest equals pricing, route that to a sales-focused email. If a contact has been inactive for more than 30 days, trigger a re-engagement angle. And if the role is founder, switch to an executive tone. Proper segmentation is one of the easiest ways to lift open and reply rates. To deepen personalization, include an AI analysis step. A simple prompt like, based on this lead's company and interest, suggest one key pain point and one relevant benefit to mention, gives you targeted talking points you can plug into the draft automatically. Then generate the email with an AI text step. Guide it with instructions such as, write a friendly, professional email. Keep the tone human, concise, and helpful. Aim for 5 to 7 sentences. The goal is to start a conversation, not hard sell. Include a soft call to action question, and personalize using the provided details. You can also ask the model to return subject line options, provide short and long versions, or match your brand voice. Add safety and compliance rules so nothing goes out prematurely or off-brand. Do not auto-send without approval, avoid exaggerated claims, honor opt-outs, and steer clear of misleading subject lines. These guardrails protect your reputation. Decide where drafts should go. You can save them to Gmail or Outlook as drafts, send them to Google Docs or Notion, post to Slack for review, or log them in CRM notes. A simple flow is draft, then review, then send. Build follow-ups